Maayong buntag kanin tanan, dito tayo nga sa Anda Bohol to feature a super white sand beach property for sale with a total lot area of 1,350 square meters with a 4 building with 3 bedrooms and a family room. It's with nice beach line. As you can see, itong property na ito nasa bayan lang ito ng Anda Bohol. Anda Bohol from Panglao International Airport, around almost 1 hour and 30 minutes drive. At napakaganda ng buhangin talaga dito sa Bohol na Anda. Anyway, this property is selling in the market for 38 million pesos at nakita mo ito lang po ang pinaka-town proper ng Bohol, ng Anda Bohol, meaning to say very steps away from the town proper itong property na ito, wherein nandito sa Anda Municipality ang maraming establishment, maraming mga turista, maraming mga puti, maraming mga Koreano, maraming Chinese, maraming mga turista balikbayan, napakadaming mga turista na pumupunta dito sa Anda Bohol dahil itong area na ito hindi talaga pa siya saturated, kaya napakaganda dito magkaroon ka ng beach house or retirement house or vacation house. From Manila, kayang-kayang maabot itong Anda Bohol via yate or speedboat. At pwede rin itong ma-reach via helicopter. And pwede rin itong ma-reach via airplane. Maglaland lang po kayo dito sa Panglao International Airport. Speaking of white sand, dito sa Anda Bohol, napakaputi ng buhangin dito. Sobra namang puti. Kasi mas malinaw pa ito kasi sa buhangin, or mas maganda pa ito kasi sa buhangin na mayroon sa Puka Beach dito sa Boracay. Guys, imagine, pulbos na pulbos talaga ito. Sobrang linaw, sobrang pino ng buhangin. To see is to believe. First time kong nakapunta dito sa Anda Bohol, pero na-amaze ako sa ganda at pinong buhangin na meron dito sila. Kaya ito is also for sale property in a titled property, selling in the market for 38 million pesos. So if you are interested or anyone interested to buy and check out this lovely, magnificent, enjoyable property for sale dito sa Anda Bohol, contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. The same way, if you know someone na looking for a property dito sa Bohol, guys, message us and or share our videos sa inyong immediate extended family. Once again, my name is Ray. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.